Hello, my friends on the internet. This is day 215 of me making an app to get you off of this one, and also an app on your phone to get you off your phone. 10 doom scrolling. That's the whole purpose here. If you want to see what the app looks like as of today, please watch this video. I'm also going to explain to you how it works and why blocking the apps is actually probably not the solution that we were looking for, and what the real problem is, or at least what I think it is, and why I'm trying to solve it in this new way, okay, with curiosity at the forefront of our solution. So here's the app so far. It's called Curiosity Quench. It is live right now. It doesn't look this pretty, but it's looking really good. I've been adding in the new design that I did not design because it's amazing, and it looks about 100 times better than it currently does on the App Store right now, but it functions basically the same. How it works is you can explore here a bunch of different things. And don't mind the tutorial text. I'm working on implementing that right now, and it looks, I haven't hidden it because I just want to record this video. But yeah, basically you find something you're interested in and you add it to your list, whatever it may be. Drifting cars, computer coding, you add it to your list. After you've added it to your list, you can then see it in your saved curiosities, and you can swipe right to create a plan for it. You can also, alternatively, have a custom plan, get a plan for anything here. If you already know what you're curious about, alter your settings of your plan to basically say how easy or hard it's going to be, how much time you're going to take, and you can press random to get a randomly generated plan out of these things we just added. So we're just going to generate a plan for computer coding. If you swipe right, you can start generating the plan for whatever the thing it is you want to do. Now, the whole point of this is not to do all of these steps, because it's overwhelming to see a 9-step plan in front of you, when especially you're coming from Instagram or TikTok and you're not even used to doing a single thing proactively, really, on your phone, because your phone is usually where you go to chill. And by chill, I mean to scroll. But that's okay. You don't have to do this whole plan. The whole point is that you have taken action by identifying something you are interested in. It didn't get fed to you by an algorithm. You picked it. Your subconscious mind and your conscious mind have aligned to say that this thing is something that I'm interested in. I'm genuinely curious and I would like to learn about it. If you've gotten that far and you've generated a plan, chances are it'll be pretty easy to take the first step. Not like as easy as scrolling on TikTok, because this is learning. Learning is strain. But it will be much easier because you're interested in it, and you may find that for the first time in a while, you can actually do this first step. Rather than if you've been putting something off, and you didn't want to do it, and you didn't generate this plan, you probably wouldn't have started. So the whole point here is just to get started. Once you can start, you can keep going. So you can do all the steps, and soon enough, you've done the whole plan. Sorry for the ruckus in the background, that is a dog. But you can check it off, you can mark it, and once you get to all 9 steps completed, by the way, if you hold down a step, you can actually get help with this step. Once you do the 9th step, you then can quench it. You can upload a photo and notes for progress. This does help. But you can actually quench it. And it's going to give you some confetti. It's going to send you the next league if you've earned it. And you can see I have 3 quenches until I get to the next league. And you can actually earn free credits this way. And just make your way through the rankings, have a streak, and so forth. Just fun stuff to make it a bit more fun. It's not too addicting. I don't want to keep people on their screens all day, because the incentive with my app is not to keep people on their screens. The incentive with social media and all the apps on your phone that are actually probably rotting your brain, they're incentivized to keep you on your screen, which isn't really that great. That's the whole reason I think that this way of solving the problem is kind of a better way. And yes, I'm completely biased because I made this. I'm obviously going to iterate and make it better as we go. But in general, the apps that are telling you to block the apps, they're kind of masking up this big, huge problem, and they're not solving it, I would say. It's like putting a band-aid on a leaky gas tank. It's still going to leak gas, and you're still going to have to put gas in it to have fuel in your tank. Maybe it'll stop some of it, but it's still going to be there's still going to be a hole in your tank. Okay, I had to move locations for a second, but yeah. Basically, the whole purpose and the whole progress that I've been making lately has been geared to making the app look a lot better and be a lot easier to use for the common user. Because the common user is going to come to my app, and if they don't have an easy, clear-cut way to use it, they're just going to quit. They're going to go back to Instagram, they're going to go back to scrolling. So the main objective has been to make this app so simple, or a lot simpler, because it still has some work to do, that people can actually come use this app and find the benefit immediately. And the benefit being that you actually found something you're curious about and you can actually do it. You can do the thing. You can get help on getting the first step completed and filling that void rather than just blocking it or putting a band-aid over it. You're filling it with something better, and that better thing is curiosity. It is your genuine interest, it's no one else's, and it's unique to you, which is why it's so valuable. So that's kind of how I'm working this solution. And the incentive model behind this is that I make money on this by people paying me for premium features. There is a free version at the moment. It does work quite well. You can do all of what I just told you basically, except for a few of the premium things like custom plans and changing your experience level. But my incentive is not to keep you on the screen, it's to get you off of it. It's to actually have you optimize for lifetime rather than screen time. And it's the opposite with social media. Social media right now, the way it's structured, it is structured to keep you on your screen because that's how they make money. So the incentives are janked in your weaknesses being exploited on one hand, and in this hand, I want to help you. And I think it's a better incentive model. I think it'll actually help you. And if it doesn't, then you don't have to pay me a dime. But I won't steal your data either. So there's a win-win. All right. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video. I'm going to make another video tomorrow because I make these every day. And I hope you guys will be outside and too busy to watch it, maybe. All right. I love you guys. Take care. This has been day 215 of making an app to end doom scrolling. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Oh, yeah, by the way, before I leave, these three buttons, they're probably going to have to go because they're probably too complicated for most users that use this app. And I just wanted to say that. I'm struggling to know where to put them. So if you have any ideas on what to do with these three buttons, and here's what they do, let me know because I do want them to be accessible, but it's kind of overwhelming now on this page. All right. I'm gonna work on the app now. I'm gonna finish this tutorial and hopefully get this out very soon. Peace.